Hello, everybody. So right now I am just about to start soldering together my um, dusk till dawn circuit here. Just gonna make sure I got this all nice and tinned. And I need to get my thing out here, the gold sponge. Just gonna take it out there. There we go. And I'm just gonna go and make sure I can look at any comments. Five. So I can see any comments or chats now. Um, but yeah, we're going to do the. I'm gonna solder together the dusk till dawn circuit now. Um, you may have seen my revisions of it. I basically added the what's it called? That thing, the comparator, instead of using a differential amplifier made out of just uh, discrete transistors. Ooh, that's the other one. I need to get those capacitors in. Actually, I should do that first. I'm gonna do these capacitor first, I think. Just put some flux on there. There it goes. And now I need to get that capacitor. Good thing that is one of the common parts I usually keep. I forgot I added that. That's just to uh, sort of decouple or like give a steadier power supply to the comparator. Okay. I'll switch over to this side, do it. There we go. There. Now, okay, I should clean this up a little bit. Maybe I'll do that later. I'll put that away. And now I shall go start doing what I thought I'd start with. I'm just going to put these in. These are to view the current in the PPK2. So, using the PPK2, you might see in a future video, or you may have watched some of my other videos where I use it. I don't do those live because I'm not that skilled at filming, if you've noticed. So, and it's pretty hard to do them live because I'd have to have like multiple camera views, and I don't have a good way to switch around. Guess I should have put some flux on these too. There is some flux in this solder, but it is like soldering is so much easier when you use flux. Oh, there is still one more there. Okay, so that looks all good. See? Just look it like that. Looks pretty good, I think. I'll move on to what should I do next here? I guess I could do the comparator itself next. Put it all in this bag here. Now this is the op amp I chose. It's a very, I guess, older version. It is a, you see there, TLC 372 CP. I chose it primarily because I had it on hand, and it is fairly common, not that expensive. I think it is a bit more expensive than some other ones. I might, oops, frick, might change. See, I'm trying to bend these pins in a bit, but there you saw I bent it way too much. But what I was saying is I might decide to go with a different. Actually, I should put some solder paste on this first. A different comparator for a later version. That primarily, though, I would actually be looking for uh, to increase the battery capacity of it. If I decide that, I think this one should last around like 2 weeks of normal usage. But I might want to say, they want to use it for a longer time period. In theory, somebody might need it long enough. There we go. So you see there? That's all done now. Now we shall move on to the resistors. We might as well. And that single LED. If you leave a comment right now, I may not be able to see it because I'm looking at my schematic editor just to know which one, where to place all these resistors. So this is the 680 ohm resistor that actually feeds the LED. Now R2 and R4 are the big resistors, 330K. Then if you're interested in more interested in seeing how this circuit works, I will be releasing a video next week on just evaluating this circuit. Ooh, frick. Let's just quickly solder all these together. Yeah, frick. There we go. Okay, so we got all those resistors on. Now let's do the last couple. Just looking, I should try to straighten this out here. Okay, let's show you what I did there for, see, these two pins here were very close together, and I just wanted to straighten them out, so that's what I had done. So now R1 is the photoresistor. So we'll take this one here. Oops. Oops. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can't see that, sorry. There it is. Just putting the photoresistor into place. And maybe bend its legs a little bit more there. Then R3, I'll put the 330k ohms away. R3 is just 33k ohm. Now we have to put the LED on. Okay, now let's just finish this soldering journey. Oops. I think I went off screen again, sorry. Oops, oops. Oh, frick. I have to be careful where I put that soldering iron. I just started burning pieces of plastic. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, final piece. These battery holders. They come with screws, it looks like. Okay. Okay, so now that's all good. I'm actually gonna unplug the soldering iron for a little bit here, while I get set to do the initial test to make sure that this actually is working. Okay. Now we have to get these little things here. plug a bunch of them in. And now we'll just get to test this right here. This thing doesn't work well. So it's on. Turn the lights off now. And yep. It works. So that's what that's for, though. It's easy. Oh. That means that we got a short somewhere. It's on and off, on and off. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna end this here, but I hope you all had fun, and check it out next time too. I'll just do the on-off thing again. Yeah. I love doing that. So that was the soldering of my desk to dawn circuit.